Hello students, welcome to Thursday session. Mohiniyattam, Kathakali of Kerala, Bharatnatyam of Tamil Nadu, Kuchipudi of Andhra Pradesh are famous dances of South India. And there is one boat race picture, Bharatnatyam, Kathakali and Kuchipudi dance form picture is given. Farming and fishing are the major occupations of the people there. Paddy is the main crop of the region. People seek their livelihood through the industries in the urban areas too. South Indian culture, with its variable differences in the customs and tradition, forms an important part in the Indian culture. Especially people of South having the different system and cultural traditions, which is a very important in the Indian culture's impact. Dear students, whenever you go to the South India, you should visit all these points and learn about the classical dance form of the India. Social life, the people of the East India. Since the East Indian live in rural areas, comprises mountains, plantation, agriculture is practiced widely. Tea, the staple food of the people, is rice and fish, but beside that, the people consuming pulses, vegetables, rasgulla, the famous cheese-based syrupy dessert. West Bengal is popular all over the world. People prefer to wear cotton, ankle clothes, as the region faces tropical monsoon climate. People are usually in short in height. Men wear dhoti kurta while women wrap their saris in the traditional pattern. Most of the houses of the eastern India are made of bamboo and wood, but some are also made of brick and cement. Tribal in the forest areas live in huts spread over the forest area. The houses have sloping roofs due to the excessive rains. Backyard of the most houses have a small ponds known as a pukur, in which pisciculture, fish breeding is practiced. Each and every houses have a pukur, small pond, where fishes are developed and afterwards it is useful for selling and eating. Assamese, Bengali and Oriya commonly spoken people of the eastern India. Hindi and English are spoken marginally. Many festivals brighten the life of the people of this region. Bihu, Ojapalli, folk dances of the Assams are very famous. Bihu is the major festival. Magh Bihu, Bohag Bihu and Kati Bihu. They are celebrating very popularly. India believes in the secularism and Indians have the liberty to the following region of their choices. India offers astounding variety of virtually every aspect of the social life. Diversity of ethnic, linguistic, regional, economic, religious, classes, caste, group, cross-cut Indian society, which is also a permitted with the immense urban-rural differences and gender distinctions. Variety of languages and dialects are spoken over here. India being a multicultural, multi-religion society, celebrate holidays, festivals in various regions. Three national holidays, Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti, celebrated with the zeal and enthusiasm across the India. However, passage of the time may transformations can be seen in Indian way of life. However, beside these three festivals, we have a 365 days and we are celebrating 365 festivals in Indian culture. Dear students, changes are visible in the diet, apparel, lifestyle, but increase in communication technology, faster means of transportation, and globalization has brought about many changes in our life of the people. Students, here we have to understand that the changes is inevitable, natural and necessary, but our culture and heritage must be conserved. We should conserve our culture, heritage. Man and environment are the interdependent. Thus, along with this culture and heritage, it's a prestige and honor that must be preserved under all circumstances. The culture of India refers to the way of the life of the people of India, and languages, religions, dances. It's often be labeled amalgamation of the several cultural spans across the Indian subcontinents, influenced by the history in several millennia old. We have the oldest millennium cultural. We should follow it without considering the caste, color, creed, language, and traditional rituals and custom. We should thinking from northern state Kashmir to the southernmost counterpart of Kanyakumari, western Gujarat to the Arunachal Pradesh. We should see the scenario is completely different from one to the another. Hence, the India is known as the land of the diversity. Dear students, we shall discuss next lesson in our next session. I request all of you to read this lesson twice or thrice to understand this properly. Till then, I remain. Thank you.